The next step is to determine signal strength. The last LED, the sixth on the receiver, indicates signal strength. A great feature of this product is that you can test signal strength before installing the transmitter. When you push the transmitter button and the wireless signal LED goes green, that indicates a strong signal. Press the scroll through button to clear the last pulse received by the receiver. Press the transmitter again. The LED displays green, indicating the signal is still strong. Push the scroll through button again, then test again. When you push the transmitter button and the wireless signal LED is yellow, indicating a weak signal, this means you are approaching the limit for an effective signal transmission, and you should shorten the distance between the transmitter and the receiver. Then test again. When you push the transmitter button and the wireless signal LED does not light, that indicates the signal was not received. You should shorten the distance between the transmitter and receiver and test again.